Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a targeted backup of the exact files you'll touch, config, mods, and saves. Once done, note the Fabric Loader version, Fabric API version, and your Java runtime string. Mismatches cause errors. Then export the most recent crash log plus latest client or latest server logs so you can reference stack traces. Now open your mods folder and a text editor. Make a copy of any mod you suspect. These steps prevent wasted work and let you identify root causes quickly. Next, resolve dependency conflicts by aligning loader, Fabric API, and mod releases. An old API with a new loader will fail. Remove any mod named in stack traces, then reintroduce one at a time. This isolates the offender. Install in a clean profile. First the Fabric loader, then Fabric API, then the smallest set of mods you need. If a mod requires a library, add that library before launching. This order reduces cascade failures and clarifies which component triggers the error. To finish, test the game after every change and keep a short log of outcomes so you can backtrack efficiently. If crashes persist, enable debug level logging to capture full stack traces and compare them to earlier logs to spot pattern changes. Make sure Java version compatibility is correct. Switching to the latest stable Java or reverting the most recent mods often resolves subtle runtime mismatches. If nothing works, remove mods until a clean launch succeeds, then re-add slowly to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.